Good morning, Lorraine here. Welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to apologise for having been absent for a little while. I've had some visitors. My brothers have been over to visit, so we've been a little bit in holiday mode and had a break from crafting. Plus I've had to go to Athens for a small surgical procedure. But I'm back and all's well, thankfully. Thank the Lord, we're doing okay. So before all this excitement from holidays and Athens trip, I made this lovely journal. It is in my Etsy store already, and I have put some pictures of it on Facebook, but I didn't do a video run through. So I'm just here now just to give a quick flip through, and you'll have to bear with me because my camera stand has decided not to work anymore. So I'm using a tripod, and I'm sorry but you've got a leg in the picture of the tripod, but it's the best I can do for now until I sort out something different. So I'm just going to go through it. So it's a Foxglove themed journal. Absolutely beautiful digital kit that I got from ArtyMaze from her Etsy store, and I think it might be one of my favourites. I say that though every time I use one of Andrea's digital kits that it's my favourite, but I've really enjoyed working with this one. So the journal is a hard-covered book style, and it measures 6 inch by 8 inch approximately. It's just slightly larger than that. It has a 1.5 inch spine. On the front is a topper that I've made and stitched, and using one of the digital journal cards on the front with a ticket and some cheesecloth here. There's some lace trim hiding the spine, and it's fastened with some sari silk that's fixed in place, and it just unties like this. It's got 2 signatures, and it's got over 100 pages front and back inside the journal. So we'll just go through it quickly. So inside of the front cover is this large pocket with 3 tags inside there. I didn't see the small one. Some of the tags come with the kit, and some I've just used up scraps of the digital papers, and most of the tags and cards have been stitched around. Paper from the digital kit, a little corner pocket here from the digital kit, and inside there is a large tag and a journal card. I'm not sure where these are from. I think these are from My Porch Prints, but don't quote me on that. Here's a little cluster that I've made on the paper. This is coffee stain paper that I've also used some food colouring on to give it a little bit of a different texture and a tone. Some more digital paper, coffee stain paper and stencilled throughout the journal. Here's a little journey tag, and underneath there is some cheesecloth fabric. And on this page I've put some crochet lace trim. I've made a belly band using up the scraps from some of the digital papers, and put on these 3 butterflies with some pearl and blingy embellishments on there. And behind is a large journal card. I can't remember where I got this from. I think this might be from the Graphics Fairy, but it just fits so well with this journal. I've left a lot of spaces for journaling. More of the digital papers, again some stenciling, coffee stained and spritzed with food colouring. Just stunning, this paper, it really is. Stenciling and coffee stained papers again. Here's a little pocket with again another one of those journal cards inside. It's got a little collaged stamp from the kit there. Some linen fabric underneath this little ticket that I've made into a pocket and left a little tag inside. The tag acts as a flap lock for that. There's another little pocket here with another collage tag. I've used the bits from the kit, the bits that are left over, and this page flips down so you've got all this journal space inside of there. I'm sorry if you're not quite in frame to see all that. Another of the postcards from the kit, and I've just put on one of Andrea's field note tickets there, and inside is this little postcard journal card that comes with the kit, and again it's been stitched around digital paper again, stenciled and coffee stained with a page turner. Another of the pockets from the kit, and inside of there are two tags, again they're from the kit and they've been stitched around and they've got ribbon at the top of them. This is the centre of the first signature, and I've made a double pocket here. At the back of the pocket has got these giant tags in from the kit. They've been stitched around and they've got sari silk in. In the front pockets are two of the smaller tags with ribbon attached and stitching. This flips up so you've got a little bit more of journaling space inside of there. And this front pocket, of course, that's been embellished with butterflies, cheesecloth and flat back pearl embellishments. Again, some crocheted lace trim, coffee stained paper. Here's just an altered paper clip with a banner, and tucked behind it is one of the tags with some eyelash trim on the top. Some more stenciling, coffee stained paper. Here is a large tag from the kit that I've collaged some of the papers onto. It's got eyelash trim and stitching around, and just left blank on the back for journaling, and it's held in place with this envelope that's just clipped in using a paper clip. And this, I haven't altered this, this is from the kit. It's a lovely envelope. I've just stenciled inside so that you don't get the stark white from the paper. And inside is this little notebook that I've made up. I'll just leave that there for now. Fix it all back in later. Doesn't want to go in. Again, stenciling, some more of the digital paper and spritzed coffee stained paper. Stenciling again. More digital and coffee stained paper. Here I've made a pocket out of some of the digital paper, and inside is this little seed packet envelope, and inside of there is one of the little journal cards. So lots of little secret spaces for journaling. Stenciling again, digital paper and the food colouring. I couldn't think of what I was trying to say. Food colouring and stenciling again. And then the second signature. Stenciled again. Coffee stained paper with a bit of spritzing and some, I'm just checking the camera keeps switching itself off. Coffee and some crocheted lace trim. Here I've made a belly band out of some of the digital paper and used a little name tag there. Inside of there is some vintage ephemera, and one of the large tags again has been stitched around. and coffee stained paper, digital papers. Here I've made a belly band from some of the tickets from the kit, and inside again is one of the little notebook things, and I've just left it blank inside again for journaling. It's been stitched around as well. Some more of the spritzed paper. I love the effect you get with this food colouring. I need to buy different colours. And again, another little pocket here with a journal card, embellished butterfly collaged on there. Another pocket with a collage tag inside, and again this flips down and you've got journal pages, space inside of there. I've made a little tuck spot out of this Foxglove label that's in the kit, and inside are just some of the tickets from the kit that I've distressed them around the edges. I've made this corner pocket here from some of the digital paper, and inside is a giant tag that comes with the kit. I've stitched around it, it's got a ribbon on top here, and I've made from one of the little tickets a pocket. Again, it's been stitched around, and inside I've made 2 tags from the scraps of paper from the kit. Another one of the pockets, and I've just put this little word tag on, and inside is a journal card. This comes with the kit, and I've just put a page turner on top so that it's easy to get in and out of there. And again, a tag that I've collaged using scraps from the kit. Page turner again, the centre of that signature, and here we have another envelope. Actually, this tag should be at this side. Large tag that I've collaged. I've put some cheesecloth on and collaged these things, made a little pocket here, and again we've got 2 tiny tags in there. And on this side it's held in place with this envelope again from the kit that I haven't altered. I don't see the reason to alter it because it's just so beautiful as it is. And inside of there again is another one of the little notebooks, and that's been stitched around the edges as well. Some more cotton lace trim on there. Another pocket with one of the lovely tags, and again it's been stitched around and it's got a ribbon on the top. Using one of the postcards, stitched around and used as a pocket. It's got one of the giant tags in, so you've all that journal space on there, and that's got sari silk at the top of there as well. Another little pocket with another tag in that's just utilising some of the scrap papers. Again, utilising some of the scrap papers, and there's some cheesecloth underneath this abundance tag. One of ArtyMaze's large tags that I've just used some scrap paper, cheesecloth, and a little butterfly that's got some bling embellishment and a ribbon on top, and again another one of the journal cards. I love the way this does this. Stenciling, some more digital paper, coffee stained paper, stenciling, another corner pocket utilising some of the scraps from the kit, and inside of there is one of the postcards from the kit that's been stitched around. Some more coffee stained and splashed papers with crochet lace trim on, some more stenciling, and here at the back is a large pocket that you can put. It's made from a paper bag, actually, is this pocket, and inside of there are 2 journal tags with eyelash trim just on there. So that's the Foxglove journal. I love this kit. I'm going to do another one, I think. I might do something slightly different with the same kit, but it's absolutely stunning. It's beautiful. So thank you for watching. I hope you like it. If you're interested, bob along to the Etsy store and have a look at what else is available for sale at the moment. I have been selling a few, so I need to get busy again. But that's not a bad thing, is it? So I'm thankful to you all for watching, for all your comments and your likes, and just for the support that you give. It's such a lovely community, is the junk journaling community, and I'm so thankful for each and every one of you. So have a blessed day.